Hello, this is Lucas, and in this video I'm going to be going over the inner join keyword in MySQL. So you can see on the screen, so this is how the inner join works. We have two tables, and then we will only select the records that have matching values in both tables. So wherever the values are the same in both of the tables, okay, so the inner join. So I have two tables created. I'll show you them now just for this example. So we do select all from orders, okay, and then we have another one called customers. Okay, so we have two tables. So now we're going to be joining them by using the inner join. There are other ones as well, okay, but just for this video we're just going to go over the inner join. So firstly we just need to select, right? So we just do select. Then we will call our very first table, which is orders. Then we'll just do order ID, okay, and then we'll do customers, and then we'll do customer name. Okay, so we just want to select these two, and we want to select these from. Let's start off with order, or with orders, our very first table. Okay, so this is our very first table, and then we'll do inner join, okay, inner join. And now we want to call our other table, which is customers, okay, and now this is what we want to join it on, okay. So we want to join it on the customer, let's see, we're going to be doing the customer ID, okay. So you can see both tables have a customer ID, okay. Now there are two different ones. As you can see, we have one that's the same. Okay, there's one that match, but then we have 37, 77, which don't exist in this one. So basically, we're just going to be matching this one and this one. So what we're going to do is we are going to do so customers on. Then we're going to do orders, which is our very first table. Customer ID equal to customers dot customer ID. Press enter. Okay, so what happens here is we are selecting both of these tables. Right, so we have the orders. This one here, this table, and then the customers table. And what we are doing here is, if you look at this part of the code here, we are joining the orders. Okay, here. So from orders, we are joining this one with this one, okay, and we are checking what we should join it on. So there has to be two values that are the same, okay. So for this one we are using customer ID because customer ID exists in orders and in customers, okay. So in orders, this order has been made by this customer, okay, because their ID is the same. So now you can join the order ID that we are selecting here with their customer name. So this customer has this order ID, okay? But we get the customer name from here, and you get the order ID from here, okay? So that's how we can inner join between two tables. So that's about it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one where we will be going over more joining, okay? We're going to go over left, right, cross, and there's a few more. Okay, so I'll see you then.